Hi, this is Attorney Mike Gravel coming to you from Chicago, and today we're going to look at Better Call Saul, Season 2, Episode 6. It's called Bali High, and it's a particularly good episode. I've been doing lots of Better Call Saul videos, but I would say that this episode's a little more inspired than average. It's all good, but this is really good. Stick around and I'll tell you why. All right, this episode kicks off with the continuing saga of Jimmy's legal advertisement. He aired an advertisement without authorization from his law firm and got in all kinds of trouble. But late at night, he goes out to watch TV and he sees what the law firm does without his input. And it's hilarious. It's just the perfect example of what happens with fear and groupthink.
Receive compensation. Residents of some Sandpiper Crossing or similar retirement communities may have been overcharged for goods and services. In partnership with the law offices of Hamlin, and McGill, the law offices of Davis and Maine are working to help those who have been
Jimmy's trying to get back into good graces with Kim Wexler after causing her a lot of trouble with his commercial, and apparently he's chosen the method of calling her every day and singing. And the whole thing is just very well done. Kim does a really nice job. It's just a change of her facial expression. And it's all sort of dopey sentimentality, but I don't care. It works.
Bali high, Bali high. All right, here you go. That completes our week-long tour of South Pacific. You're welcome.
And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it. Meanwhile, Jimmy's decided to move back into the nail salon, probably anticipating that that's not going to last much longer at Davis and Maine. And the nail salon owner is just delicious, and he has no sympathy for him whatsoever.
Hey, are you here? You lose that job already?
I should be so lucky.
You don't like your job? Boo-hoo, poor baby.
This next bit is excellent in terms of the law and how it's portrayed. It's a motion for discovery in a class certification situation. But what I liked about it is they didn't try to make something heroic out of something boring. It's a boring argument, and that's what occurs. And it's as if they went to actual practicing attorneys and said, hey, here's where our plot's going. How would that look in court? Because it looks a lot like it would look in court. And I don't know why other depictions of law don't do this, but well done, writers. You actually pulled it off here.
If our clients are suffering from dementia, then the residency contracts they signed with Sandpiper couldn't have been entered into knowing.
No, that is not.
The defense wants to claim that their residents are competent enough to be held to their contracts, but too incompetent to sue.
Right after the motion, which, by the way, even ends with the judge deferring the ruling to another date, which is what really happens, and also is not very exciting. Kim Wexler is walking out and gets approached by a partner at Schweiker and Coakley, and who subsequently basically makes a job offer to her at lunch.
Miss Wexler. Hey, I just wanted to say good work in there.
Thanks, but I'm pretty sure I lost.
Oh, of course you did. It's an unwinnable position. That's why your boss didn't bother showing up. But you went down swinging.
I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I've been doing this over 20 years, and I've had a lot of conversations just like that. I've seen that just rings true to me. But now we have to go back to Mike and his underworld dealings, and this starts with them trying to send him a message.
Give it a tap, and you've got finely shredded cabbage in seconds for crunchy coleslaw. Tap again, and chop celery. Make home fries with just one tap.
Get down.
The Billy Mays on TV in the background was a nice touch. He turns the TV on because he knows they're in there, and to distract them, and of course it's Billy Mays. But while that is excellent, this next bit here is the favorite line of the episode.
What's the message?
Take the 5,000.
It took two guys to tell me that.
We were just supposed to scare you, that's all.
You try harder next time.
Of course, Tuco's uncle is not going to give up after his first set of goons fail, and he sends round two. This, of course, sets up the inevitable meeting you know has to take place, and Tuco's uncle shows what a tough guy player he is right away.
¿Lleva algún micrófono escondido?
No. Ningún micrófono, pero he's got a gun.
I don't care about the gun.
Here we see yet again why we like Mike so much, and he displays incredible bravery or incredible stupidity, depending how you look at it.
Let's discuss my payment. That time is past. No 5,000 for you. The price is 50. How about your payment is you get to leave? Not enough.
Mike gets his $50,000, but ends up giving $25,000 back to Nacho because he wasn't able to keep Tuco out of his way for as long as he promised.
What's this?
25,000.
What for?
We made a deal. I didn't hold up my end. Your problem is coming back sooner than we expected.
Jimmy manages to get back in Kim's good graces, and they have this charming exchange where Kim starts to realize why Jimmy wasn't so excited about going to Davis and Maine. In fact, she's thinking about leaving HHM herself.
You took the Davis and Maine job because of me.
I took that job because it was the right decision. A steady paycheck, done. A place to live that's more than 5 square feet, boom. A car that's all one color, nailed it.
The takeaway for this episode is that Mike and Nacho are in serious danger. The other takeaway is that Jimmy is on the way out of Davis and Maine. It's clear that his days are numbered there. And the other takeaway is Kim may be on her way out of HHM. Here at Law Talk, we do a lot of videos answering common legal questions. We also do reviews of law in the movies and then on TV. We also share some of our more interesting cases. We're always putting out new videos. So if you like that, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell.